explaining to you detail what are the canvas part, because she is here. This is a good salesperson, has to encourage the product team to explain to us. That is also one clue for you, because we don't know the details. If you take me, I will tell this is an acrylic color, like, right, Sapna? So if she can explain, can you explain what is this?
Sure. Actually, this is all mixed media.
Okay.
Mixed media mean not only one. We cannot say this is acrylic, this is oil. We can't say like
fine,
that.
fine.
Because this is one by one different.
Okay.
You see, these details we get with the outliner.
Okay, right.
And here we have sand texture.
Fine.
This all is special mediums.
Okay.
And here we have ceramic.
Okay.
Here we have moon.
Okay.
Here have fantasy colors. So
Okay.
this is all together. It's combined. You know, it's all together.
Okay.
We
It's
show
teamwork.
Yeah. We show our all the product in one
Fine.
canvas.
Can you detail again?
Yeah. This one we
Okay.
call outliner.
Fine.
Outliner. This
Okay.
all outliner. Then
Okay.
in the center,
Okay.
this is it's called sand texture.
Fine. Sand texture.
gel. Yes.
Okay.
Then here ceramic.
Ceramic.
Yeah,
right.
ceramic paint. Here, this is all prismy colors. It's
Okay.
like it's give like a honeycomb effect.
Oh, fine.
Then-
I'll post it as a photo as well. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this you can see the down part.
Okay.
It's like a crack effect, no?
Crack
So
effect.
It's called
Okay, fine.
Crackling effect medium.
Crackling effect medium.
Yes.
I got you right.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, so
it's a mixed media. You have
Mixed
coined the
media.
name.
This is the PBO. They're showing all the products here.
Ah,
See,
fine.
Yeah.
This is created by them or by you?
This is from our company.
Okay.
They sent as sample for us.
From the PBO.
Yes, from
That's
our company.
that's great. So what is this?
This is all outliner.
Outline.
Outliner, yeah.
Okay.
Then here on the top they give little bit by
Effect.
God leaves, by little touch, you know.
Right. Okay. So this is what?
This one sand texture.
Sand texture.
Yeah.
Because I'm feeling that
Yeah.
a nurturing
Feeling.
smell. No, that smell. Fine. This is outlining, right?
Yeah, this is all outliner.
Right. Okay. Great. Fine.
Here have glass paint also. You can see here.
Okay.
This is glass paint.
Okay.
See,
Yeah. Fine.
and here Bindex. Here we have all the medium is special medium for the painters.
Great. And see, this is my favorite place. Sapna has. I met Sapna and she has guided me very beautifully well. Sapna, can you please?
Yeah, actually, yeah, I can explain to you. This
Yeah.
one is if you want just for time pass for the small hobby.
Okay.
You don't have more time. It's very cute and handy one.
Yeah,
See?
fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
For the kutis, no.
Yeah. it's
Even
very
see,
nice.
it can be given as a birthday return gift.
Yes, yes.
Can you
yes.
move it back?
See how cute that one.
And it's only costing 10 dirham.
10 dirhams only.
It's instead of giving that eatables, no,
Yes.
chips and chocolates and other things.
Yes.
This will encourage their artistic talents also. Even
Yeah.
if they don't paint, they start painting.
And also good price, no?
Good
Only
price.
10
And
dirhams.
one more thing, kutis or no, if you say, she is so cute, she's painting, that's all.
Yes.
They will paint 10 boxes in one row.
Yes.
Yeah. This is what is this,
This is
also
already
kutis.
with the pictures.
This
So
is
you
very
can follow
cute.
the picture
And paint. Your
yeah.
imagination.
Yeah, and also
You've
there
got a
is
paint at the back.
paint
What is the
and
price,
the
dear?
This one only 15 dirham.
Oh, great. It's very user-friendly pricing.
Yes.
Customer-friendly
Yes,
pricing to
yes,
be
yes.
put it in marketing
This
language.
is also 15 dirham, big size.
How many colors are coming?
This is six colors.
With
and
a
one-
brush also.
With one brush.
That sounds great.
So you don't want to buy anything extra.
Anything extra. So it's a good gift,
Yes.
return gift, and also it's a good gift also.
Yes, yes.
And what are these?
This all for the folders. You can keep in your. If you have some paint, if you feel it's just only, you can put in your file with the
Okay.
pictures.
Oh, fine. Okay. And what is this?
Actually, this is we call balsa wood.
Balsa wood.
Yeah, this is a
For
special,
what?
For the engineer. They make the project, no?
Engineering
Yes.
section. So
Yes.
my husband can explore.
Yes.
Okay. So this is what is this one full pack?
Actually, this is we have the one by one different sizes.
Okay.
This is one bundle.
Fine. One
Yeah.
bundle.
But
What is the
we-
price? Basically one stick.
Actually, we calculate this one is per piece.
Fine.
The
Okay.
price.
Okay. Okay.
Starting, we can say the normal price is this is how much will be? This is 10 by 10. Will
12
be
then.
12 dirham.
Oh, great. Okay. Okay.
This
What is
all.
this?
This is folder.
Folder. Oh, great.
Yeah,
Okay.
to protect your painting.
Oh, fine. What is the price of that?
This one 120 dirham.
120. And
Yes.
what is the
This
denomination?
is A1 size.
A1.
Yes.
Fine, got it. Okay. So these are all artistic canvas,
Yes.
right? You have got a brown color also.
Yeah, this is actually not brown color only. This is linen canvas.
Linen canvas.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
very high quality linen canvas.
What will be the price? It's 40 by 80, right?
40 by 80 will be 150 dirham.
Okay.
150 dirham will come this.
Okay. Can you hold it and show for me? Just for their idea.
It's
Oh.
very professional one.
Yeah, got it. Okay. 40 by 80.
Yes.
Right.
40 by 80.
Okay. These are all
This all for stand.
okay.
For the hold your canvas.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, we have different prices.
Okay.
Wooden one is starting from 95
Okay.
until 450. We have the.
You have.
Yeah.
This is looking so professional.
Yes, it's
How?
very
What is the
professional.
price for
This is
this?
450 dirham.
Oh, fine. It's a thick wood, right?
It's very high
durable.
quality.
Yeah.
If you buy one piece until your lifetime, it's enough.
It's enough. So this is very suitable for artists.
Yes, yes.
Good
All the
investment.
professional artists, they use this kind of things.
Fine.
Yeah.
What is this cruise? It is adjustable, right?
Yeah, this one if you can adjust. This one
Okay.
you can bring it up, bring
Oh.
it down.
Can you show it for me?
See,
Okay.
also.
Okay.
You can take any, even if small size also you can put in this.
Fine. So these are all the
The canvas.
canvas.
Canvas
And
actually we have different quality.
can you
We
come
have
that
for the-
side so that?
Sure.
Yeah. Show.
Canvas actually this is for beginner size.
Okay. Beginner size.
Yeah, beginner size mean it's 30 by 40.
Okay.
This is cheap quality.
Medium grain.
Yeah,
Okay.
13 dirham only this one.
Fine. Okay. Right.
Yeah. Then also same thing we have from high quality
Okay.
Camlin.
Okay.
30 by 40, 37 dirham.
Ah, this I have
Yes.
used. And at the back you got something also, no?
Yes.
If I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one too, if you feel the canvas is loose from the middle,
Okay.
you can hold for this kind of this corner,
Fine.
this part.
I got it.
But
yeah.
actually, this is very high quality, so
Okay.
you don't want to.
Yeah, Camlin is a
Yeah,
is a
it's
brand,
very
right?
nice one.
Yeah.
Camlin also they have 2-3 type of quality.
Okay.
Yeah, so Camlin have for the beginners, for the medium type, and very professional.
Everything.
They have
And can you tell me that is glass painting, right?
Yeah,
Bottle painting.
This is already done. This is they keep for memorize. You know, it's
Oh,
been
fine.
maybe more than 15-20 years ago they do this.
Ah, okay.
Yes. It's all memory in Green Branch.
Oh, fine. Okay. Now we'll explore the other part of the canvas.
Yeah, the canvas actually we have different sizes and it's depend on the quality and the brand, the
Okay.
price.
Okay. And the round canvas, can you show me?
Round canvas we have.
These are all Kutti's attractions.
Yes, 25 centimeter, 15 dirham.
Oh, fine. This is sounds cute.
Yes.
It's a wall hanging also, no?
Yeah. And also we have the 40 by 40.
What is the biggest
Biggest
denomination?
one before we have 80 by 80 by right now out of stock.
Okay.
Now we have 60 by 60, the
Price?
biggest one, 52 dirham.
Oh, great. Price is very user customer friendly price.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go for this already drawn
Already
ones.
have this is for the kids.
Can you show me one?
Yeah, this
The
one,
fish one or this one? Animal is so friendly. Oh,
this one
fine.
only 17 dirham.
Oh, and you have got paint also.
Paint and the
This
stand.
is wonderful. You got the stand also. So that is a return gift. This is a perfect birthday
Yes.
gift.
Yes.
So children who are watching, please catch your parents to give this to your friends, okay? Don't forget. So you have got, come to Green Branch, okay? Electra, near Electra KM Trading. What is the working hours, Sapna?
We work 9 to 1:30.
Okay, 9 to 1:30.
Yeah, then evening we
Okay.
start 4:30 till 10.
4:30 to 10.
10.
9 to 1:30. 4:30
4:30
to 10.
Yes.
And Friday holiday?
Friday is holiday. Come,
Fine.
totally
Great.
closed.
Show the bigger one.
This one 35 dirham.
Oh. Super. It comes with a stand also.
Yeah.
You have paint also,
Paint,
brush also.
brushes.
Fine. What is it? Floral painting?
This is oil painting,
Oil painting. Okay.
but with texture have.
Oh, fine. This is done by you?
No, it's not me. It's all from our product.
Product. Okay.
Yeah.
Just for detailing.
Yes.
Sample.
To explain to customer.
And this is a very big canvas.
Yeah, this is
Fine.
For
the
we
school.
have bigger than this.
School projects we can explore here.
Yes. 90 by 120.
So many school teachers are also.
Yes, they purchase from us.
Yeah. Peach.
120 by 1.
One. What is the price? The mega one with the denomination.
This one we have for 210 dirham.
What is it?
120 by 120.
120 by
Yeah,
120.
3D one.
Oh, great. Okay.
Then 90 by 120, 130 dirham.
Okay. These are all.
This all for silk painting. It's a
Silk
discontinued
painting.
color, but we are giving good price for that one.
How much?
It's 10 dirham. Like
Oh,
this.
great. Okay. So, Pebio, that too.
Review, yes.
Pebio for 10 dirham is not a joke. So, right. And this is small.
Yeah, this is all.
Oh,
stuff
see,
on.
we saw that, no? Very good. It's a warm. Right. What are those things?
This is our stuff on.
Stock. Okay. Same.
Same.
So, Jamshi, just show your face and go. Remove the mask 1 minute. So, Jamshi and Swapna, please. They both will be in the first floor art section. School teachers, whoever watch for professional artists, come and approach them. Thank you, Jamshi. Thank you, Swapna. Let me sign off with the art for you all. Thank you so much. Okay, art is long and life is short, so start painting your canvas, both life and professional. Thank you so much.